I need you to answer this question with complete honesty. Have you woken up in the middle of the night because your feet felt like blocks of ice? Do your hands sometimes feel so cold that they don't even feel like your own hands anymore? Have you noticed that small cuts and bruises are taking much longer to heal than they did just a few years ago? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you are not alone. And what I'm about to reveal today might completely transform your health. Let me be absolutely clear from the beginning. What I'm about to share isn't just some random tip from the internet. This is a complete protocol that thousands of people around the world have used successfully, men and women over 60. People are dealing with various health challenges, individuals who were convinced that poor circulation was simply their fate. Today I'm going to expose the real secret about castor oil. But not castor oil by itself, because here's the problem that most people completely miss. Castor oil alone does work, but it works at only half its true potential. Imagine having a powerful car but driving it with only half the engine running. That's exactly what happens when you use castor oil by itself. There are secret ingredients, and I'm saying ingredients in the plural form, that when added to castor oil create something truly remarkable in your body. Blood starts flowing freely, extremities warm up, energy levels rise, and even sleep improves dramatically. But before I reveal these secret ingredients, I need you to understand something critically important about your body, something that could literally save your life. Your circulatory system is the most important system in your entire body. Think of it as a highway network stretching 60,000 miles inside you. That's enough to wrap around the earth more than twice. This incredible network delivers oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in your body, from your brain all the way down to your toes. When blood flow slows down, everything suffers. Your brain becomes foggy because it's not getting enough oxygen. Your muscles tire quickly because fuel isn't reaching them. Your skin looks pale and dull, and your hands and feet get cold because blood simply isn't making it to your extremities. Now, here's the part that genuinely concerns me, and it should concern you too. Poor circulation is not just an inconvenience. It's not just cold feet that need extra socks. It's a serious warning sign that could indicate something called peripheral artery disease. This condition affects over 200 million people worldwide, more than 10 million people in America alone. What makes this even more alarming is that half of all people with peripheral artery disease don't even know they have it. They dismiss their symptoms as normal aging. They've forgotten what it feels like to have warm, comfortable feet. But here's what keeps doctors up at night. People with this condition are at significantly higher risk of heart attack and stroke. The same plaque buildup blocking arteries in your legs is likely affecting arteries leading to your heart and brain. In severe cases, when blood flow becomes critically restricted, tissue begins to die. This can lead to chronic wounds that won't heal, severe infections, and in the worst cases, amputation. Every year, tens of thousands of people lose limbs because of complications from poor circulation that went unaddressed for too long. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you because awareness is the first step toward prevention. And the good news is that there is so much you can do to support healthy circulation naturally. That's exactly why I'm sharing this castor oil protocol with you today. Let me tell you about the remarkable science behind castor oil. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. This oil has been used medicinally for over 4,000 years. The ancient Egyptians called it Palma Christi, meaning the palm of Christ, because of its extraordinary healing properties. What makes castor oil truly special is its unique chemical composition. It contains up to 90% ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid virtually non-existent in any other oil on Earth. Research has shown that ricinoleic acid stimulates your body to produce more nitric oxide, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and dilate. Wider blood vessels mean easier blood flow. This is the scientific basis for why castor oil improves circulation. Castor oil also stimulates your lymphatic system, your body's drainage and cleanup crew. It removes toxins, waste products, and excess fluid from tissues. By stimulating lymphatic drainage, castor oil creates an internal environment where blood flows more freely. Now here's where things get really interesting. Here's where we unlock the full potential of castor oil by adding specific partner ingredients. The first combination targets surface circulation. This is for quickly warming cold hands and feet. You'll combine castor oil with peppermint essential oil and a small amount of cayenne-infused oil. Peppermint oil contains high concentrations of menthol. When menthol touches your skin, it activates cold-sensitive receptors. Your body responds by rushing blood to that area. That tingling sensation isn't just a feeling, it's evidence of increased blood flow happening in real time. Peppermint is a vasodilator, helping open blood vessels for better flow. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which creates a warming effect by bringing blood to the skin's surface. It's been used for centuries to improve circulation. Here's how to make the surface circulation blend. You'll need 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 8 drops of pure peppermint essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne-infused oil. To make cayenne-infused oil at home, add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder to half a cup of olive oil. Let it sit in a warm place for 2 weeks, shaking daily, then strain out the pepper. If you don't have castor oil available at home, you'll find a link in the description below, or you might find it at a health food store or pharmacy near you. Just make sure you get cold-pressed organic castor oil for the best results. Mix all ingredients together in a small glass bowl. Glass is better than plastic because essential oils can break down certain plastics. Here's how to use this blend. Start with clean, dry skin. Warm the oil between your palms. Begin at your feet, massaging using firm, upward strokes toward your heart. This helps push blood back through your veins in the direction it naturally needs to go. Spend 3 to 4 minutes on each foot, massaging the soles, tops, ankles, and between the toes. Then move up to your calves with the same upward strokes. Your calf muscles act as pumps that push blood back up toward your heart. Massaging them activates this pumping action. You'll notice the tingling, warming sensation almost immediately. This is circulation improving. Use this blend once daily, preferably in the morning. If you have sensitive skin, reduce the cayenne or eliminate it entirely. The second combination targets deep circulation and lymphatic flow. This reduces that heavy, tired feeling in your legs and decreases swelling. You'll combine castor oil with Epsom salt and ginger essential oil. Epsom salt is actually magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is critical for healthy blood vessels, helping them relax and allowing blood to flow freely. Many of us are deficient in magnesium without knowing it. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that warm the body from inside out. They also help prevent blood cells from clumping together, keeping blood flowing smoothly. Research shows ginger has significant anti-inflammatory effects. Here's how to make the deep circulation blend. Mix 3 tablespoons of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and 10 drops of ginger essential oil. The Epsom salt won't fully dissolve, and the grainy texture provides gentle exfoliation as you massage. Apply this paste to your legs, working from ankles up to thighs. Use firm, rhythmic upward strokes. Spend at least 5 minutes on each leg. Then wrap your legs in warm, damp towels and relax for 30 to 40 minutes. Many people report feeling lighter in their legs after just one treatment. The heavy sensation lifts, swelling decreases. With consistent use, improvements become more lasting. This treatment is particularly effective for people who sit or stand for long periods, those dealing with fluid retention, and anyone working on weight management since sluggish lymph contributes to that puffy, bloated feeling. Do this treatment 3 to 4 times per week, preferably in the evening. The third combination targets cardiovascular circulation support for overall heart and blood vessel health. For this, we use a castor oil pack, an ancient technique validated by modern research. You soak flannel cloth in castor oil and place it on specific body areas with heat applied on top. The most powerful location is over your liver, on the right side of your abdomen beneath your rib cage. Your liver filters blood, removes toxins, and metabolizes fats. When your liver functions optimally, blood quality improves and circulation benefits throughout your body. Add rosemary essential oil to your castor oil for this treatment. Rosemary supports healthy blood pressure and improves circulation to the brain while providing powerful antioxidant protection for blood vessels. Here's how to create the Cardiovascular Support Pack. Soak soft flannel cloth in castor oil mixed with 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. The cloth should be saturated but not dripping. Place it over your liver area, cover with plastic wrap, then place a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. Rest with this pack for 45 minutes to 1 hour. The warmth, aromatic rosemary, and quiet rest all contribute to stress reduction, which itself supports better blood flow since stress causes blood vessels to constrict. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Now let me show you how to combine these treatments into a weekly protocol. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings, use the surface circulation blend on your hands and feet. This takes about 15 minutes. Tuesday and Thursday evenings, do the deep circulation treatment on your legs. Set aside about 45 minutes to an hour. Saturday and Sunday, do the cardiovascular support pack over your liver when you have more time to rest. This rotation supports all aspects of circulation throughout the week without overwhelming your body with any single approach. Now, some crucial information for those carrying extra weight. Every pound of body tissue requires blood supply. Your heart works harder to pump blood through a larger body. Conditions that commonly accompany excess weight, like high blood pressure, directly affect blood vessel health. The good news is that improved circulation can support weight management efforts. When blood flows better, metabolism works more efficiently. Your body mobilizes fat stores better when circulation is healthy, and lymphatic drainage support reduces water retention, making a noticeable difference in how you feel. Many people who start this protocol report having more energy for physical activity. They feel less heavy and sluggish. For both men and women as we age, hormonal changes significantly impact circulation. For women, declining estrogen during menopause affects blood vessel flexibility. This is why many women notice circulation problems worsening around that time. For men, declining testosterone affects blood vessel health and red blood cell production. Erectile dysfunction, which affects many men over 60, is often an early warning sign of circulation problems throughout the body. This castor oil protocol supports circulation regardless of gender through fundamental mechanisms like lymphatic flow and blood vessel dilation. Here are essential lifestyle factors that will enhance your results. Movement. Your leg muscles act as pumps pushing blood back to your heart. Stand and move for 5 to 10 minutes every hour. Hydration. Your blood is mostly water. When dehydrated, blood becomes thicker and flows more sluggishly. Aim for 8 glasses daily. Elevation. When possible, elevate your legs above heart level. This allows gravity to help blood flow back to your heart. Compression socks. If you have significant circulation issues, medical-grade compression socks provide gentle pressure that helps blood flow upward. Watch sodium intake. Excess sodium causes fluid retention, putting extra pressure on blood vessels. If you smoke, please make every effort to quit. Smoking is one of the most destructive things for circulation. It damages blood vessel walls and promotes plaque buildup. People who smoke have dramatically higher rates of peripheral artery disease and its complications. Some important precautions before you begin. If you're taking blood thinners, consult your doctor before using ginger or cayenne since both have mild blood-thinning properties. If you're pregnant, avoid the essential oils and use plain castor oil only after consulting your healthcare provider. If you have serious cardiovascular conditions or diabetes with complications, these treatments should complement, not replace, your medical care. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours. If irritation occurs, reduce essential oil concentration. How long until you see results? The warming effect from the surface blend can be felt almost immediately. Many notice their feet staying warmer through the night after just a few treatments. For deeper effects like reduced leg heaviness and improved energy, most people need 3 to 4 weeks of consistency. For significant lasting changes, maintain this protocol for 2 to 3 months. The good news is these treatments feel pleasant. A warm oil massage and relaxing castor oil pack are genuinely enjoyable. One more tip. Many people do the surface treatment at night, put on cotton socks, and sleep with the oil on. The warmth helps oils absorb deeply. You wake up with softer skin, warmer extremities, and often better sleep. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal when given the right support. Poor circulation isn't something you must accept as inevitable. With consistent use of this protocol and attention to lifestyle factors, real improvement is absolutely possible. Cold hands and feet, numbness and tingling, heavy, tired legs, slow healing wounds. These don't have to be your norm. Your circulatory system wants to work efficiently. Sometimes it just needs the right support. Start with one combination this week. Give it a fair trial for 3 to 4 weeks. Notice the small changes: warmer feet, less puffiness, more energy, better sleep. These add up to significant quality of life improvements. If this information helped, please share it with someone who might be struggling with circulation issues. Leave a comment telling me which combination you're most excited to try. Take good care of yourself. You deserve to feel warm, energized, and healthy at any age. Until next time.